If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. We got Minnie with her official music video for her just came out, like literally today. Now, we saw Blind Red Eyes. Correct me if I said that right. I think Blind Red Eyes just like literally recently, and it's uploaded already. Go check it out. Link in the description, or just check out on my channel. But we're about to check out her. Now, Blind Red Eyes was something else. That was some tea. Hold up. Let me switch up the scene. And now that we have her, what else is she going to reveal? Or is this whole album? It's a whole album, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. But Minnie's here. Minnie's here. Her solo has been... I didn't know what to expect from it, but it got me interested. So what else is she gonna express in her? Let's get into it. All right. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. Before, like that video, share this video, and go check out the links in the description down below. Follow my Discord, Patreon, Instagram, TikTok. Y'all already know. And let's go. She got them shoes on. She got a driver too. She ain't playing games. She ain't playing games at all. Ooh, okay. Huh. Oh, it's different versions of her. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let me tell you about my bruise. Ouch. Ow. Right? She gonna tell what's... Oh, damn, that's talented. Oh, thanks for following. I didn't expect. I'm not even live. But thank you for following, Big Guac. Appreciate you. You might find the gap forming the groove. That belt's crazy right there. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. You her. It's basically like the equivalent. I'm him. She her. Oh, she's doing that little like pocket game where you like kiss, you eat until you like kiss. Some people just back out, but she seems like she her. Shoes off, everything. Oh, wait a second. There's 2 different people. That's right. 2 different versions. Oh. Okay. Huh. Ooh. Gotcha. I like who shot you. Here's my scar. Now kiss it. Dang, she is shooting. She look good doing it too. Look at that. Damn. You see her? You see her? Yeah, forget her. The smile and everything, Miss Ma'am. What the hell did I just see? Softly. Okay. So is this like the mix between the two? This version of Minnie right here? The short hair Minnie is crazy. Oh! Wait. Okay, hold up. So very beginning, I like the very beginning of the first lyrics. Okay, it's like 3 people watching her go out though, actually. You think you're acting like a movie. Well, when she leaves, she starts acting out, I guess. Like the first lady, the first Minnie. Like this one. Once the short-haired one leaves, the other one starts acting out, it seems like. Like she happy. She gonna have fun, and then she's like dreading it, or like kind of side-eyeing her too. You think I'm acting like a movie. This line right here. But I'm just living my real life. My life lights out. Basically like living my real life, not in the public eye. Anyway, I'm guessing that's what it means. They call her by her name on newsfeed, saying they know her name in newsfeeds. But she's gonna tell you about all the bruises, aka her scars, like the things that happened, I guess, in the past or while the lights are out. Like her different personalities seem like different people, basically. So these are 3 of her different personalities like coexisting. And obviously these personalities don't get along, especially when one person's gone or busy. She's, if I'm not mistaken, Minnie is the lyricist and composer, like one of the mains. Amazing. Someone in the comments were talking about like they see each Minnie as they were sisters. Interesting. The short hair is the oldest, the most responsible. The red outfit is the middle sis and more rebel, and the pink one is the youngest, being happier, no worries in the world. I can see that too, actually. I'm guessing it's like different phases of her life, like how she'd grown, and I guess the one with the short hair is the more mature one, handling business. The whole production, like whether it be the fashion, just like the vocal choices and everything. Good job, Minnie. This exceeds my expectations too, and I'm really all for this, and I'm definitely gonna have to check out the album, right? There is an album, if I'm not mistaken. We got Blind Eye, Her, Drive You Crazy, Cherry Sky, Valentine's Dream, It's Okay, Obsession. Oh, with 10 and one with Yuki. Ooh, definitely gonna have to add that and download this for later. Let me know if you want to hear a full album listen, first listen on my Patreon. Be sure to go join the Patreon. This will be up for free if I do an album listen, but look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I might have to get the physical, bro. The poster, look at, she is iconic here. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Go check out Minnie, go support her, and I mean, hey, you killing it. Let's go, Minnie. I'm proud of you. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.